up, guys? I'm Vindetta. It's JC Performance here. We got a sick 440. Come on here, come here. Look at that. Boom! Boom! All right. Sick setup, right? Let's see what we got.
Yeah, so here at XRP, Extreme Raceway Park out in Ferris, Texas. My first time at the track. This is my stock motor 440i. It's a 6870 Speed Tech kit. Paired to a stage 2 ATS transmission. Shout out to Brian at Applied Torque Solutions. We're gonna put this thing to the test, do some soft passes, just get some data and see how the car does today. What's up, guys? Out here at XRP, unfortunately we had a slight mishap. Car was launching pretty good, still getting to learn the car and getting to learn the tree. Staged really well, got up in the RPMs really good, was sitting around 9-10 pounds of boost. We think we had a situation where we went from unprep, prep on the traction and the axle left the chat. So minor setback, but we'll be back on it. Luckily, we've got some stock axles on hand, so we can just swap them right out. But stay tuned, more to come. You know, slight little obstacle, but we're gonna get over it.